If you want to cook something simple and easy, I'm going to show you how to do a chicken and mushroom vegetable rolls. For this recipe, I'm using one bunch of fresh spinach. These are large leaf spinach. Either you can use silver beet or even cabbage. 500 grams chicken mince, one tomato, few mushrooms, one capsicum, few carrots, any herb as you wish, parsley or coriander, and one onion, one white part of the leek, cheese for the topping, and salt, pepper, and a bit of stock powder or any other seasoning as you wish, and about 2 to 3 tablespoons full whipping cream, one bottle pasta sauce. So let's start doing it. It's very simple and easy to do. To start the recipe, I'm going to add some boiling water into the spinach or silver beet. Don't overcook it. Dip that in the hot water and quickly transfer that into a cold water bowl. Leave the spinach aside. If you want to save the time, use a food processor and add the carrots, onion, and the capsicum into the food processor, then the leek and process. After, add the mushrooms. I have few cloves of garlic that I didn't show you before, and the coriander leaves. You can use parsley instead. Lastly, going to add the tomato, and it's ready. Add the mixture into a bowl, and into that, add the salt, pepper, and the stock powder to your taste. Then mix. Now into that, add the 500 grams minced chicken. This is chicken breast mince. So mix it well. Once you mix the chicken, it's ready to be used. Now it's ready. Leave it aside. Adding whipping cream to this recipe is optional. I'm going to add a little bit of whipping cream and then about 2 tablespoons pasta sauce to the bottom of a tray that you are going to bake. Then use a spoon and spread it evenly. The creaminess gives a nice taste. Now get a plate and the spinach or the silver beet that you put in hot water and lay it on the plate. Take a spoonful of the mixture and put it in the middle and roll it, covering with the two ends, and get the leaf and cover. If you find the stem is a bit hard, you can squeeze it like this and then roll it over. Then put it on the baking tray. And this is a freezable recipe. If you have lots of silver beet, you can make them ahead and freeze them. And then whenever you want, you can thaw them and cook it with some pasta sauce. The next one again. Now let's do the next part. Add a bit of whipping cream on top. And then the pasta sauce. So you need enough sauce to cover. If not, the chicken will not be cooked because we use the raw chicken. If you have time, you can cook the chicken beforehand, so then you can cook it for a shorter period. I'm going to use some fresh parmesan on top, or you can add cheddar or a low-fat cheese, or you can totally omit cheese on top too. So this goes to the preheated oven, 180 Celsius, about 20 to 30 minutes or until the chicken is well cooked. I just finished baking the spinach rolls and this is how it is. It took about 45 minutes for me to brown the top of the spinach rolls. Make sure that you cook it until the chicken is well cooked. And when I take one, and this is how it is. Serve with a little bit of sauce on the side. If I cut one to show you how nice and soft it is, a very good no carb diet that you can try at home without much effort, and also it's a freezable recipe and hope you will enjoy. See you next time.